guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a really fun video where the entire team is going to showcase their favorite products that they're currently using. So if you've been looking for recommendations and you have a similar skin type to us, definitely check it out. And if you have any more questions, you can always leave a question in the comments below and we'll get back to you. But for now, just enjoy this video.
Hi guys, this is Vaishnavi and I have a very dry skin type. My concerns are pigmentations, acne scar, overall like dryness in general and dark circles. I'm going to be talking about 3 of my favorite products. So the first product is the One Thing Moisturizing Lip Essence. This is super hydrating and gives me baby soft lips. I'm not kidding. And I literally use it over my lipstick and gives like that gloss finish, and it's very glam. So this is my go-to product. So the second one is the propolis extract from One Thing. I love this. It is super nourishing and brightening. It gives you an instant brightness. So basically, I have really dry skin type like you guys know, and I don't reach out for a moisturizer after using this, which is great. The last one, but the best one, is the Vitamin K cream from Hello Cell. So it really moisturizes my eye area very well and it acts as a great base for my eye makeup. So pro tip for the festive season that's approaching. Lastly, I've seen like a difference in my dark circles, but I have to say you have to be very patient and consistent with it.
Hi guys, my name is Anuja and I have a normal skin type. So basically I don't have any issues with a lot of oil or too much dryness on my skin, and I'm going to show you what my 3 favorite products are. So this is the first product. It's SNP Cicaramonic Essence and I love this product. I use it at night because it's so cooling that when I'm like going off to sleep, it just calms me down. And I use like 2 layers of it because I like that much of the hydration and the moisture that it gives. So it's so much I have used of it, and it's an amazing product. This is the second product, is the Clavu Lip Mask, and I use it as a moisturizer as well as a mask, like an overnight mask. So this is like my go-to thing before putting any lipstick or anything at all. It is extremely hydrating and it's my go-to always. It's in my bag forever. This is the last product I'm in love with. It's Moat T2 and it has a little purplish shade to it, but it looks lovely on Indian skin because it gives a pink shade and it's just the great, and it's very velvety and very smooth on the skin. It's not drying at all. It gives a very smooth and moisturizing effect, which is what I love about this.
Hi guys, my name is Sanjana and I have sensitive skin. I've struggled with hormonal acne in the past, so I kind of just like my skincare routine to be stuff that like makes my skin feel healthy and glowy, and like obviously no products that would irritate my skin. Okay, so the first product I want to tell you guys about is the Claire Supple Preparation Toner. This was the first K-beauty product I ever tried and I fell in love instantly. I use this in the day and at night, like depending on how I'm feeling, but it makes my skin feel so healthy and glowy. I think supple is the perfect word that they've used on this. The second product that I want to show you guys is this Nail Mucin by COSRX. I think this is like a cult favorite product for everyone, but I think what I enjoyed the most about this was how fun it was, like even the texture. So I feel like this is a product I can reach out to whenever my skin is feeling a little irritated, and it just automatically makes me feel like I've healed my skin. So yeah, that's this. The last product is the One Thing Centella Soothing Cream. Now this product I've only been using for 2 weeks, but it's already made it to my favorite list. I love the consistency of the product. It's not too thick, so it's perfect for like the Bombay weather. And it's super moisturizing and soothing, as the name says. And I have a little bonus 4th product that I want to talk about. It's the Clavu Lip Sleeping Pack. I have it on right now. I think it does such a good job of like nourishing your lips and making them shine. Again, like my lips get really chapped and this just makes them feel really healthy and glowy. I also use this as lip gloss, so like sometimes I'll apply my lipstick and then just do a layer of this on top, which is what I've done right now.
Hi everyone, my name is Malika and I have oily to combination and what used to be acne prone skin, so I actually am trying to work on improving my skin texture after a lot of breakouts. And I really like hydration because my skin does get very dehydrated easily. First up is the Seoris Cleanse Me Softly Milk Cleanser. Now I really love this product. You can see how much I've used over here. And in particular, I really love it because it's super for sensitive skin, and ever since I've had a lot of acne, I really need something that's very gentle. And at the same time, I'm someone who uses makeup and I use sunscreen in the day, but this is one cleanser that kind of takes off everything in one go. And I'm also someone who really doesn't like using soap or like a harsh cleanser or strong cleanser in the morning, so this is the perfect one. It's like this very gentle lotion texture that you don't even, that it is not a strong lather or anything, it just melts everything off. After the Seoris cleanser, I actually use the Plane multivitamin ampule. This one is my absolute favorite right now. It's actually bottle number 2. So it's got niacinamide at 5%, and I actually really like that because it's the perfect amount for my skin. My skin can't tolerate a lot of strong niacinamide, and it also has vitamin C, so both of those I find really help with improving like my spots after acne and generally hyperpigmentation and keeping my skin very bright. It also has a very nice hydrating texture, like you put one drop and it feels like water is exploding on your face. Okay, and finally, this is the Plane Full Calming Gel, and if you're like me and you have very oily combination skin and you don't like very rich creams, then this is going to be perfect because it's very hydrating and at the same time it kind of locks in the moisture, so I don't need more creams. And it's like my last step in my routine as well before I step out or like before sunscreen. I use it sometimes after like threading my eyebrows as well because that really calms the redness. I do have a bonus product. It's the Clavo lip pack again. I promise we all use our own lip packs. It's so good, as you can tell, since everyone has it. And the thing is, it never gets over. Everyone's talked about how good it is and it feels really nourishing, right? But I love using it like a thick gloss, and a lot of the times I just step outside with it as my only lip product, and I find that it's impossible to finish no matter how many times you use it, day or night. So and it also smells like this really nice vanilla custard dessert, so if you like that and you want something super luxe, definitely get yourself this. I hope you enjoyed watching that video and you got some good recommendations, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!